Hello, this is how you can import retro models to Unity. So these are the models I want to import and its textures. First you need to go to your projects folder and import everything to the assets folder. Now the models are already imported and I'm going to drag the first one to my scene and it looks like this. This model already comes with the material, you just need to extract it. To do that, you click on the model, then on materials on the inspector tab and click on extract materials. You can choose the folder you want to extract and then click on select folder. Now click on the material you just extracted and drag the PNG texture to its albedo. Change the rendering mode to cutout, uncheck Spectre, highlights and reflections. Now click on the PNG texture, uncheck generate MIP maps and set the filter mode to point, no filter. Looks pretty good. It's the same thing for the OBJ model. Now these models are prefabs and you can put them on your project scenes. Also, it's worth noting that currently Unity does not support importing GLTF models, but you can do that by using external add-ons. Anyway, this is it, hope you like and feel free to ask any questions.